Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I talk about how to make money with trading Bitcoin and investing in cryptocurrency. I also talk about personal development and so much more. If you are interested in any of these topics and you'd like to see more of it, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated for my next video. So for today's video, I want to talk about when is the right time to invest in cryptocurrency. Like, when is the right time to buy altcoins, to buy meme coins? Like, when is really the right time? Because I see a lot of people, especially beginners, who are just getting started into crypto, and then when they hear about a certain cryptocurrency that has gone up by so much in price, they just jump into it, and then boom, they start losing their money. Or there's some who they hear about a cryptocurrency that has gone up in so much value, but they're scared to put in their money right now. They don't know if they should be getting into it right now or if they should be waiting. They're so confused. So this is the purpose of this video. I want to help you to actually know when is that right time to invest. I made the same mistake when I first got started into crypto. I just started following all these YouTubers that would say, oh, buy this coin, buy this coin. Then I would just go and start buying them without knowing what the hell I was doing. I was just going by what they were saying, that, oh, this coin is good, just buy it. So you do not want to do that when you're just getting started in crypto. First of all, you want to get basic knowledge of cryptocurrency. You want to understand. The most important, I would say, is understand technical analysis. Whether you are trading crypto or you are investing in crypto, knowing how to do technical analysis will help you to honestly know when is the best time to invest in crypto. Because you have to understand, the market moves in cycles. It can go up and it goes down, and never will a coin just go up and just keep going up. Eventually it has to retrace back, and you can be able to know when that coin is retracing back if you know how to do technical analysis. And technical analysis is basically being able to look at the chart on a trading view for that specific coin, looking at the charts to see what the price action is, looking at patterns, being able to read patterns to see what direction that coin is heading. And by knowing how to read that chart, you'll be able to know, okay, is the coin, does it look like it's gonna keep going up? Is it retracing? You'll just be able to know, and then you'll know yourself if you should be buying the coin now or if you should wait. Okay, the second tip or way to know when is the best time to buy a coin, you have to know, first of all, are you investing for short term or are you investing long term? Because if you're investing in short term, then the techniques will be a bit different. But if you're investing in long term, it's different as well. So you gotta know if you're investing short term or long term. So let's say there's a coin that you heard about or that you saw that has gone up in so much value, right? And now you didn't invest in that coin, you want to invest in it right now. But now you have to ask yourself, why do you want to invest in this coin? What is your strategy? Do you want to invest in it for short term or do you want to invest in it for long term? Now, if you wanted to invest in that coin for short term, then obviously buying that coin at this time, since it has gone up by so much in value in the last, say, 7 days or 30 days, then buying that coin right now would not make any sense, because your strategy is to invest in it for short term. So you would not want to invest in it right now. But if your strategy was to invest in it for long term, then of course, let's say the coin has gone up in so much value, but it's not as high. Let's say the price prediction for this coin is going to be way higher than where it currently is. If the value of that coin is going to be way higher than where it is right now, then you can do the comparison, look at it and see, okay, from where the coin has been predicted to be, say 2 years or 5 years from now, and from where it is right now, is this the right time to buy it? The answer would be yes, because if your plan is to invest in it long term, then obviously right now the coin is still very, very cheap for you to buy because your plan is to invest in it for long term. So that is it. You have to know what is your strategy. Are you investing in this coin for short term, or are you investing in it for long term? The other way to know is basically, you got to understand this, like not every crypto that is out there in the market is going to exist in the next coming years. Okay, there are a lot of them, they're just going to crash down, like it's just going to disappear, like, you know. So you have to understand there are cryptos that you should be investing in for only short term, and there are cryptos that you should be investing in for long term. You can know this by doing your own research. I'll just give you a few just to know. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance coin, all these bigger market cap coins, they have stood the test of time. These type of coins are gonna be here for a long time. So those are like long-term investments. And then you have your medium cap coins, which have the potentials to help you make a lot of money, and you can invest in them, but it can be a bit risky, you know, if you're trying to hold it for a long term. It can be a bit risky to invest in this type of coins. So you gotta know, is this coin a long-term coin or is it a short-term coin? Now, to know whether a coin is gonna be around for a long time or if it's gonna be around only for a short time, is this: you have to do your research on that coin. Like, research the coin to see, number one, is that coin backed up by a true crypto project? Like, is it like, what crypto project is being built around that coin? Because I'm telling you, if there's no crypto project that is being built around that coin, then that coin is not really gonna be around for a long time. It's basically just there by hype. The price is just gonna be going up by hype, and then eventually, if we get into a bear market, then that coin is just gonna crash. So you want to do your research and see what crypto project is being backed up by this coin. Like, what project is being built around this coin, and what is the utility used? Like, is this coin actually serving, does it have an actual use in this world? Like, are people actually using it for something? Like, is it providing any service? All that things. Like, if that coin is actually providing a service that people actually need in this world, you know, then most likely that coin is going to be around for a long time. Also, just look at the supply. If you want to be able to have a sense of, or have an idea of what the value of this coin is going to be in the next coming years or so, just look at the supply. Okay, the supply tells you a lot. If a specific coin has a lot of supply, you know, it has a lot of supply, like let's say trillions, this coin has trillions supplies, then it's going to be very, very hard for that coin to actually increase in value, because you have to understand supply and demand. The less supply there is for something, the higher the value becomes, right? If there's less supply and a lot of demand for that thing, then the price will increase. But if there is a lot of supply and not that many demand, then that thing is it's not really gonna increase in value by a lot. It's gonna be very cheap, right? So the supply is very, very important. If a coin, a cryptocurrency that has just come out or that has been around for a long time has a lot of supply, it's gonna struggle a lot to go up in price. Okay, so yeah, and these are coins like meme coins. If you look at a lot of meme coins, you'll see that a lot of them have a lot of supplies. They have like trillions, quadrillion of supplies. That's why it's so risky to invest in meme coins. As I always say, only put in money that you can afford to lose, because investing in coins like meme coins is like gambling, right? Like, if you put your money in, you do not like put high hopes that you're gonna make a huge amount of money. I mean, yes, you can, but it's gambling. That is it. So only put money that you can afford to lose. So yeah, guys, basically that is it. If you want to know when is the best time to invest in a cryptocurrency, All you gotta do is learn technical analysis, learn it, and you can learn technical analysis by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I teach you guys that. I have a few videos that I've made teaching you guys how to read charts. I'm gonna start making more videos on how to read to read charts for other coins, and I'll show you guys how to find those charts for those specific coins, because I know on TradingView doesn't have a lot of the coins, does not have the chart for many of the coins that is in the market. They usually just have the bigger cap coins listed on there, so it can be hard to look at the chart for a specific coin, but there are other ways to look at the chart. Okay, so that's the first way. Learn how to do technical analysis. Second way is to know your strategy. Are you investing for long term, or are you investing for short term? And look at the coin that you're investing in. Is this coin, is it a coin that's going to be around for the next few years to come, or is it not going to be around? Okay, look at that type of thing. Those things will help you to know when is the right time to buy. Okay, I forgot to mention this, but this one is definitely important, is to always buy the dip. This one is basically, this is the whole secret, is to buy the dip. If a coin has gone up in so much value, okay, it eventually has to come down, because what goes up must come down. It has to come down. So do not FOMO in. Okay, do not have fear of missing out, that oh, it has gone up in so much value, oh my goodness, I missed out, let me just get in because I think it's going to keep going high. Don't do that. Okay, eventually it has to come down, and you will get your chance to invest in it. If it doesn't come down, there are times when it doesn't come down, and this usually happens with coins that are meant to be around for a long time. Once it just breaks out, it starts going up, then it will just keep going up until it reaches its peak, and then it would retrace, but it might not retrace back to the lowest point that it was at when you saw it, right? So this is why technical analysis is very important to master, guys. Master technical analysis, because it will help you to be able to start making the right decision on when to buy a cryptocurrency. It's gonna help you guys. It's gonna really help you. I'm gonna share with you guys the secret. Okay, so there's this app. If you don't know about it, I don't know if you know about it, but there's this app. It's called CoinMarketCap and Gecko. This app is a must-have app. If you are investing in crypto, trading crypto, you need to have this app, because it literally provides you with a lot of information on crypto, on all kinds of cryptos. If there's a specific coin that you want to look up on, you want to look at the information for that coin, just go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, type in that coin on the search bar, and then you'll see it's going to tell you everything about that coin. It will tell you how much that coin currently is. It will tell you the amount of supply the coin has, the total supply. It's going to tell you when the lowest price that coin ever was, the highest price it has ever gone, and so much more. When it will tell you what exchanges are currently trading that, offering that coin right now. It's such a useful app. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, those are apps that you want to have as a crypto trader and a crypto investor. Yes, so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope you took some value out of it, and if you did, you can let me know by hitting that like button. And if you like to learn more on how to trade crypto, invest in crypto, make money online, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because this is the channel. That's all I'm going to be doing in this channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to make money trading, investing in crypto. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day.